Hand it over to our meteorologist, Amber Lee. And Amber, I feel like it's a clearer now.
Yeah.
We had quite a wild day yesterday.
Yeah.
So
So
what's in
much
store
rain.
for us for this weekend?
Yeah, and we talked about how it was all going to come down in the second half of the day, and it sure did. So let's take a look at what's happening. So once that cold front pushed through, it really brought us the flash flooding and also brought us the record rainfall. So here's a look at what's happening now that this cold front has passed the area. Behind it, we're left with a lot of the cooler air and also leftover moisture. So scattered showers continue this morning. So the system not quite over, but the brunt of it, the main event, has left. And because you guys are talking about high surf, we have high surf up and down the coast. And so here in Southern California, we are also looking at a high surf advisory until tomorrow. We have these large breaking waves, dangerous rip currents in Ventura County. You could see waves up to 12 feet. For LA County, we could see waves anywhere from 7 to 10 feet. In Orange County, 4 to 7 feet. So if you're not a strong swimmer and you're heading out to the coast this weekend, just give yourself, that space, and then also camp out closer to a lifeguard. But let's talk about Valentine's Day, because it was almost overshadowed from all that rain that we talked about yesterday. We do have some leftover moisture, scattered showers, as I mentioned, but the good news is that it will start to taper off once we head into the second half of the day. But we still have these really gusty southwest winds, nothing like what we saw yesterday, but they're definitely stronger winds over some of the mountaintops. And then we do have a wind advisory over some of our high desert communities as we head toward the afternoon, and as the system is also slowly pulling away. All right, LAX this morning looking good. We are looking at some drier conditions here. We can see the roads are still a little bit glossy. So again, we still could see some scattered showers moving through, not quite over just yet, but most of the showers that we're seeing right now sitting over areas like Malibu. We're starting to see rain cell approach the Hidden Hills area, and then we're starting to see a little bit more of the showers picking up right along the foothills near La Cañada, Pasadena, and then also the Arcadia area. Downey looking at some wet weather this morning as well, and then a rain cell sitting over Long Beach is slowly pulling off to the east. Let's talk about our rain chances, because as I mentioned, we're looking at scattered showers lingering with us this morning, and then we start to see some of the showers kind of taper off as we head into the latter part of the morning, but there will be a bump in energy as we head into around just after the lunch hour. So this is something that we're going to continue to watch. So how much rain did we exactly get here in Southern California? Look at this. These are the old records. So Ontario, Riverside, downtown LA, Fullerton, Big Bear, and Santa Ana all broke old records. We saw anywhere from more than an inch to more than 2 inches of rain in a lot of areas. So that's great news, because we desperately need that rain here in Southern California. And then we are also looking at a little bit more of those numbers going up slightly because of the scattered showers, but just in time for Valentine's Day, for all those date nights. Things are going to slowly start to dry up. You can see with our future cast, a lot of the moisture is going to stay confined just to a lot of our mountain communities. We still could see a little bit more snow this morning and also into the afternoon for some of our mountains. But overall, look at that. It is drying out as we head into the second half of the day. So those date nights are going to be nice, but a little bit cold. So grab the jacket or grab the layers before you head out. Temperatures today will stay in the low 60s for LA and Orange County. And then you can see slowly warming up as we head into this long holiday weekend. Temperatures will roughly be in the mid to upper 60s, but the 70s don't appear until the middle of next week for LA and Orange County. 70s will appear, though, for the valleys as early as Sunday, and then staying that way through the middle latter part of next week. Back to you guys. Happy Valentine's Day.